What's up everybody, Linkus UC is coming. Well, just hold on a second. Today, let's just talk about Linkus Mobile App first. As we know, Linkus Mobile App makes our mobile phone a remote terminal that we can be in touch whenever we go when we carry our mobile. It synchronizes our extension information from the PBX system totally, connecting us anywhere, anytime. Basically, this synchronization brings us convenience and efficiency for our business collaboration. Alright, enough talk. Time for us to explore features. Well, of course, we have to log in first to reach the functionalities. There are actually 3 flexible login methods are available. Log in by scanning QR code. Use the login link to activate, or just log in manually. Once the Linkus client has been enabled on our PBX, we will receive an activation mail with QR code and login link. So we can scan the QR code to log in, use the activation link to log in, or just fill in the blanks manually. It's totally optional. Just pick the one you prefer to log in. This app actually plays 2 major roles for us. The first role it plays is working as a mobility extension that syncs all features from the PBX and put it on our mobile. So we can make and receive calls as an ordinary extension. Call transfer, call recording, and even initiating a conference call are all available on this app. Other than that, it's also a mobile client. We can check our internal contacts presence. We can get our voicemail and recordings in the app directly. By the way, we actually have the one-touch recording on our mobile. Missed calls and call history will also display on our mobile. When we get into this app, it's not hard to figure there are 5 main parts: extensions, contacts, dial pad, conference, and me. Let's check it out one by one. Tap on extensions. You can log in your Linkus app with the same extension number as your IP phone, or an individual extension number especially for your mobile app. We will see an extension list with names and avatars, as well as the presence of each contact. Pick one of the contacts. With mobile data or Wi-Fi, we can call the contact extension directly, or call his or her mobile number free of charge. Besides, there's also an icon we can click for sending short messages, and mail the contact directly just by tapping this. Move to the contacts. This app can integrate and synchronize with our local contacts, which allow us to call local contacts by the app. Click on the contact, long press the calling icon. Then we will have 2 options: dial through PBX and dial through mobile. We will need to pick up an outbound route if we select dial through PBX. The prefix will be added automatically. Well, if we choose dial through mobile, so it will just turn to a personal call by our SIM card. In dial pad, we can review call history. Long press the call history. We can just call back by selecting a particular way. We can see 8 options on the dial pad when we are on a call. Mute ourselves. Display the dial pad. Enable the speaker. View call history between. Hold and resume the call. View contacts. Transfer. Attended and blind transfer are optional. And also one-touch recording. Apart from peer-to-peer calls, we can also start a conference. Maximally, we can invite 8 objects into a conference. The 8 objects could be either our internal extensions or outside contacts. What's more, we will also be notified on our mobile by the app push while receiving a call so that we won't miss any call to the app. In these settings, we can edit basic personal information, change the avatar, edit the name as well as the mobile number, Check voicemail and recordings, it's just right over here. Besides these personal features, we can also choose the ring strategy because now we have multiple terminals with one same extension number. Call forwarding is customizable as well. We can also set ring timeout, enable call waiting. Now, we're in the call. At the same time, another call comes in, we can choose to hold the first call or just hang up to deal with the new call. Anyway, back to call options. D&D option is also available. In audio options, we can customize call experience, set echo cancellation, TX gain, transmitting volume, RX gain, receiving volume, and dial pad tones. In advanced options, we can clear cache, create an outbound prefix, and submit bugs to Yaestar if any issue happens. Enable background mode so that Linkus will be working in the background. Of course, we can change the password to secure the account. The app version and guides will be displayed while clicking on the About. Linkus Mobile App provides a bunch of features as a mobility extension. It works perfectly for our business collaboration. This is just a part of the whole Linkus UC. Pretty soon, we will talk about Linkus UC plan. Stay tuned. Just visit our website, www.yaestar.com, and of course, subscribe our YouTube channel if you're not already. Leave us your comment if you want a further discussion. I will see you guys in the next one.